It's incredibly fast and easy to buy your domain through Shopify, but it comes at a cost. I'm in Shopify, go to Settings, Domains. You'll see the option to connect an existing domain or buy through Shopify. Now, I prefer using Namecheap because it's a lot more affordable. So in the description, I'll link to a 2-minute tutorial on getting it set up through Namecheap. But if the convenience of having it through Shopify is worth it for you, go to buy new domain. Search for the name you want to see if it's available. You can often find a lot of names around $15 a year. I'll do jacobellyads.com and you'll see other extensions that can be purchased. Click buy, and that'll take you to checkout. You can have it auto renew every year automatically, but no matter what you choose, you can always turn this on or off later. Warning, for me, I had my credit card info saved, so build me the moment I click the button. If you're ready to get billed, click buy. But now we'll need to set this as the URL for our store. Scroll down a bit. Here's where we can set auto renew on or off. Scrolling back up, I'll do set as primary to make this the URL for the store. But if you plan on doing any Facebook or Instagram ads, you'll need to verify this domain. It's now required for any domains you're running ads to, but this video shows you exactly how to do it step by step. If you're doing Facebook ads, I'll see you in that video now.